Who's that? Is that Elmo? Annalise, Old MacDonald had a farm. Cheese. Sing your song. E-I-E-I-O. Uh-oh.
Say monkey.
What's up?
What's a monkey say?
What's a monkey? Can you say monkey? Oh, well.
Say monkey.
Monkey.
Can you say blanket?
Blanket.
Can you say blanket? Yeah.
Blanket.